Yes, Pikachu, we have a new iPad to unbox today. Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the new iPad Pro from Apple. So this is the brand new one, no home button down here. It's the 11-inch model, so the smaller one. It is 11 inches, 256 gigabyte model. It's the space gray one, so the darker colored. So let's get to it. So they've actually changed the packaging up a little bit. They have a pull tab here, which makes it easier to take off this shrink wrap, I guess. So if you feel that, it just comes straight off, and then the rest of the plastic comes off of it, like so. Get rid of the plastic. Alright, so there we have. The plastic is gone. Now the iPad, it's a two-piece box, as usual. So there's a cover on top, which hopefully will pop off.
A few minutes later.
Okay, there we go. So there's the lid. Put this over here. And then we have the iPad itself. Again, you lift it up. It is super slim. The sides are very angled, very sharp now. So let's take this off. There we have it. The 11-inch iPad. So here there's a little, I think, plastic cutout, which is where the pencil would go. So then there'll be some magnets here so that it can do the wireless charging for the pencil. On the top we have two microphones, and then all around the sides there is these speaker grills. So there's 4 speakers. So 4 speaker grills all around the edge of the iPad. There's a USB-C charger port down here. And what else is there? There's another mic hole, I believe. There. And of course on the front, they have the Face ID cameras over here. So of course the volume rocker is there as well. And then there's quite a significant camera bump on the back. There's a LED flash as well, and then another further microphone here. Of course, the Apple logo, and then the smart pin connectors for your smart cover. And this is the Wi-Fi version, so there is only one antenna band up here. The cellular one, has another band down here, of course. We have the documentation, of course, probably some stickers in here. iPad Pro, quick start guide, some more pamphlets and stuff, and of course our stickers. So the iPad has successfully turned on. There it is. The most interesting thing is the Type-C cable that it comes with. So C to C cable, and it comes with a C charger, which is awesome. Let's take a look here. I'm not sure if we can see. Looks like it is a 2 amp 9 volt charger, so probably a bit hard to see here. Okay, so that's basically it for the unboxing. So thanks for watching, guys. And for our final trick, will it stick on the fridge? Holy